In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tile card graphics in PowerPoint. This technique is a fantastic way to add visual interest and organization to your presentations, and best of all, it's simple enough for anyone to master. Whether you're a PowerPoint novice or a seasoned pro, creating these tile cards will enhance your deck with a polished, professional look. First, let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have it open, navigate to your existing PowerPoint presentation or create a new one where we'll begin our creative journey. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the menu at the top and find the Insert tab. The Insert tab is your gateway to adding a wide variety of elements to your presentation. Now that you've located the Insert tab, click on it to explore the available options. Among them you'll find the Shapes option, which is what we'll use to create the base of our tile graphics. Clicking on Shapes will reveal a drop-down menu featuring various geometric forms. What we're interested in today is the rectangle shape. Click on Rectangle to select it. Next, draw a rectangle on your slide by clicking and dragging to determine its size. This rectangle will serve as the foundational piece for your tile card graphic. Once you've drawn your rectangle, you'll want to duplicate it multiple times. To duplicate, simply click on the rectangle and use the shortcut Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. Create as many duplicates as your design requires. With all of your rectangles created, it's now time to arrange and resize them into a cohesive grid layout. Consider the overall look and feel you wish to achieve and adjust the tiles' sizes and positions accordingly. A balanced grid will enhance readability and provide a clean base for additional content. Now, with your grid layout in place, navigate to the Shape Format tab. This tab equips you with the tools to personalize your shapes, allowing you to add color and adjust outlines for a more customized look. If you haven't already, click on each rectangle one by one to activate its formatting options. The final touch will be to change the colors and outlines of each rectangle to suit your presentation's theme or to create a striking visual impact. Switch up the color palettes and explore your options. PowerPoint offers a wide range of colors and outline styles. You might also want to ensure that your selected colors complement each other well. This attention to detail will make your tile graphics stand out and resonate with your audience. By following these steps, you've successfully created eye-catching tile card graphics in PowerPoint, ready to enhance your presentation and impress your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep creating and stay tuned for more PowerPoint tips.